Hello students, again welcome back to the classes. Now next type, which is very important for the class 10 point of view also, age based problems. In these types we will discuss different types of age type of questions. Okay, now I have taken one question from your book. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. Okay, he is also 54 years older than her. Find their present age. Okay, now first of all, what we will do, a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. There are two persons. One is grandfather, and second is granddaughter. Okay, one is grandfather and one is granddaughter. Now they are talking about, read the first line carefully. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter, means grandfather जो है वो 10 टाइम है that of the granddaughter. If I let granddaughter is of years x years, okay, so what will be the age of the father? What will be the age of the grandfather? That will be the 10 time, because they are giving 10 times older than granddaughter. Okay, he is also 54 year older than her. Okay, I am writing the line. He is also 54 years older than her. What is the meaning here? He is used for grandfather, means grandfather age is 10x. Is means equal. Also 54 year older. 54 year older means बड़ा होना, ज़्यादा होना. 54 year means plus 54. Older than her. Her means granddaughter. That is x only. Okay, now easily you can find out the value. If this is 10x, comes to the right hand side, it is x. 10x minus x, that is 9x, equals to 54. X is equals to 54 divided by 9, that this should be x is equals to 6. Now we have to find out their present ages. Now what are the present ages? Their ages are, one is grandfather and granddaughter. Okay, grandfather age is 10x. 10x means 10 into 6, that is 60 years. Okay, and what is the age of the granddaughter? That is x only, and x is coming only 6 years. Okay, now you can see also the age of the grandfather is 10 times that of the granddaughter. Okay, this also satisfies the given condition. Understood everyone? Just read the statement carefully. Okay. Next question is, Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. Okay. Now find their present age. Now again they are talking about the two persons. One is Aman and second is his son. Two persons are there. One is Aman and second is his son. Okay. Now Aman age is 3 times his son's age, means they are talking about Aman's की जो age है, that is 3 times of his son. If son age is x, what will be the Aman age? That is 3x. 3 times means, what is the meaning of 3 times? That is multiply. Okay. Now 10 years ago. Now these words are coming. Ago. These some special words are there. Ago, before. Okay. These words are used for the past, means you have to subtract. They are talking about the past, means you have to subtract. Some words are there, later, okay, from now, after. So many words are there, later, after, from now. So these words discussed about the future. That means you have to plus the ages of the whatever they will ask. Okay, now comes to the question. 10 years ago he was 5 times. First of all, if they are asking about before, later, after, whatever they will ask, you have to find out. So 10 years ago, 10 years ago, what will be the age of the Aman? The Amans will be, age will be 3x minus 10. You have to subtract now, they are talking about the past. So what about his son age? It will be x minus 10. Okay, so this is the age 10 years ago. 10 years ago. Okay, now comes to the line, he was 5 times his son's age. I am writing the line again. He was 5 times his son's age. Okay, they are talking about Aman. Okay, they are talking about Aman. He was 5 times when 10 years ago, so that is 3x minus 10. He was means equal, is was will be, we get all are meaning equal. 5 times means multiply his son age. What is the son of age of the son 10 years ago? It will be x minus 10. Now simply solve the equation. Okay, that will be 3x minus 10 is equals to 5 into x. It should be 5x. 5 into 10, that will be minus 50. So now take the variables on one side and constant to the one side. You will write 3x. Now take 5x to the left hand side. It will be minus 5x. Minus 50 is there. Take the 10 to the right hand side. It will be plus 10. Now it is minus 2x is equals to minus 40. Understood? You have to find out the value of x. Minus 40 divided by minus 2. Minus minus cancelled each other. 20. The value of x is coming 20. But you have to find out their present age. What are their present age? Present age, these are the present age. Okay, so present age are 3x and x. So Aman age will be, what will be the Aman age? Aman present age is 3x. Present age is 3x. So it will be 3 into 20, simple, 60 years. And what is the age of his son? His son will be only x. X is, that is simple, 20 years. Now in the starting also they were discussing about Aman's age is 3 times his son. So is it 3 times or not? 23 is 60. That means answer is correct. Understood everyone? Now comes to the next question. Next question is the ages of the Rahul and Harun are in the ratio of 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. Find their present age. Very simple. Now, in the starting, what they have given, they are talking about the age of the Rahul and Harun. Okay, 2 persons are there, and the ratio is given. That is 5:7. This is the ratio of their present age. So, what will be the ages? Let the age are. Okay, it will be 5x years and it will be 7x years. Now comes to the condition 4 years later. Again, later means baad mein. So you have to add 4 years later. The sum will be, sum of their ages will be 56. Very simple. So 4 years later, you will write 4 years later. Means 4 साल बाद. So what will be the age after 4 years plus 4? You have to add 4 years. So it will be 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. Simple. Okay. Now comes to the condition 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. The sum of their age. They are giving sum of their age. Sum of their ages is 56 years. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of sum? You know, plus their age 4 years later, their age are 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. okay, will be 56. Simple. Okay, now you can easily find out the value of x. Now remove the brackets. 5x plus 4, no operation is there, only plus is there, so it will remain same, is equals to 56. Okay, now add the variables 5x and 7x, it will be 12x, 4 and 4, it will be 8, is equals to 56. So it should be 12x equals to 56 minus 8. 12x equals to 56 minus 8, it should be 48. Now x is coming 48 divided by 12, that is 12 fours are 48. The value of x is coming 4. But they are asking to you about their percentage. They are asking to you about their percentage. So what will be their percentage? Okay, the percentages are, two persons are there. One is Rahul and second is Harun. Rahul percentage is 5x and the Harun age is 7x. Simple. So you can easily find out. 5 into, what is the value of x here? That is 4. 5 fours are 20 years. Okay. Now it will be 7 into 4. It will be 28 years. Simple. Understood, everyone? So simply, whenever the age is given in the ratio, okay, let them in the form of x or y, whatever you want. Okay, then apply the condition what they are giving. They are talking about the before or they are talking about the after. Write down their age 4 years later. 4 years later means you have to add. Now take the condition what they are asking about. The sum of their age will be 56. So the sum of their age will be 56. Simply find out the value of x and put the value of x. Then these are the percentage of the Rahul and Harun. Simple. So these type of questions will be there. Okay. Now comes to the next question. Again, the ages of the Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. Again, the ages are given in the ratio. 4 years from now, the ratio of their age will be 3:4. Means 4 years from now, they are talking about the future. The ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their ages. Okay. Now two persons are there. One is Hari and second is Hari. Hari and Harry. Sorry. Now the ratio is given 5:7. So let their present age will be, you will write simple 5x and 7x years. Okay. Now comes to the next line. They are talking about 4 years from now. They are talking about future. That means we have to write 4 years from now. They are talking about 4 years from now. The age will be, you have to add 4. That means simply you have to add 4. 4 years from now. So age will be 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. Simple. Okay. So the ratio of their age will be 3:4. Now they have given again 4 years from now. That means कि 4 साल बाद the ratio will be 3:4. Now this is the ratio, that is 5x plus 4 divided by 7x plus 4. The ratio is coming 3:4, means 3/4. Simply do the cross multiplication. When you cross multiply each and every number, it should be 4 into 5. First I will write 4 into 5x plus 4, 3 into 7x plus 4. Okay. Now multiply the numbers. 4 5s are 20x, 4 4s are 16, 3 7s are 21, 3 4s are 12. Okay. So you will write 12. Now find out the value of x. Take the variable on the left hand side. It is 20x. 21x will be minus 21x. Okay. Is equals to, you will write 12. Now take 16 to the right hand side, minus 16. So minus 1x is equals to minus 4. X will be minus 4 divided by minus 1. The value of x is coming 4. Now if the value of x is coming 4, what you will write here? You have to find out their present age. You have to find out the present age of Hari and Harry. Okay, so what is the present age of the Hari? It is 5x, and Harry is 7x. So 5 into that is 4, that is 20 years, and 7 into 4, that is again 28 years. Okay, so this is the last type from your NCERT books, okay, which is very important for the class 10 point of view also. Just do it carefully, read the statement carefully, you will definitely get your answer. Okay, in the next class we will discuss the next type. Okay students, bye bye, have a nice day.